Hello and welcome to a super quick video on plotting the percentiles of a dataset in Python using matplotlib and specifically the fill between method. So let's suppose we have a dataset like the one shown on screen here, where we have the weight versus age divided into percentiles, both males and females. So this would be the third percentile, the 10th percentile, the 50th, and so on and so forth. So both for males and females. So if you want to get some information out of this chart, this table here, it'd be nice to make a chart or a graph of how these values change over time. In order to do that, we can first import the data using read HTML, and I have a video right here, I think, that shows how to do that. So please feel free to watch that. So anyway, we import the data, and we can make plots of the values like so. Oh, that was the wrong one. I think it should be here. So there we go. So we get a plot like this, just specifying the median value all the way throughout. But of course, there can be some variation in the distribution of these weights here for any given age. So it's nice to figure out sort of what the possible range of values is. In order to do that, we can make a chart that shows the 10th and 90th percentile as well as the median. In order to do that, we first initialize the plot here. Then we can use the fill between method, where we have to specify the x data, which is just be the age in years. Then we specify the y min value and the y max value, like so. And we set a transparency for the area to be filled out between them, and a line width, and we can also give it a label. Along with that, we can simply plot the median value like we did before. Then repeat the procedure for females like this. Then if we create the plot, we get the following chart here. So you can see that we still have the median values as straight lines in the middle here. And now we also have like a colorful band that shows us the 10th and 90th percentile for both males and females. So doing this actually gives us a bit more information out of the plot, because now we can see that, let's say, the female data seems to actually be skewed a little bit low, because 50% of the measurements are below the orange line here, and then the remaining 50% are above, so they seem to classify closely around the middle, then a large tail that goes to higher values. But it seems like males actually have a bit more of a larger and also more consistently sized variance both sides, going all the way throughout the different ages. So hopefully you find this interesting. Obviously this method here is quite useful if you're going to do some kind of forecasting, maybe it's financial forecasting, weather forecasting, population forecasting, whatever it might be. So yeah, if you like the video, please feel free to click the like button and check out the source code in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.